to use Google Lookout app on Android phone. So basically, Lookout app helps you to scan text with your phone's camera to find objects around you, to scan currency, and basically explore the world. I'm gonna show you how to use this app. Let's get started. Firstly, we're gonna open the Play Store and search for the Lookout app. Make sure you can see that it is by Google. Now we're gonna install it, and let's just wait a few seconds till the app will be downloaded and we can use it. Great, now let's open the app, and here you can find out how to use it. So it uses your camera to read text, find objects, narrate documents, and personalize your reading experience. Let's hit next and tap I agree on the bottom. Now we need to grant permissions, so allow using the camera while using the app, and choose an account you would like to use for the Google app. So you need to sign in your Google account basically. I'm gonna choose this one and tap OK. Now first mode you will see is text. So as you can see, your camera will immediately search for any text around you. And I can just point the camera at this box, and it will find and read aloud this text on the box. Now, if you would like to turn off your camera, just tap on the camera icon, and now it will be disabled. Also on the top, tap allow, and if you want to switch to different language, then you will need to tap on the globe icon and set new language. But keep in mind that in that case, you will need to download a new pack, and it will take up to 5 minutes, I guess. So AI will read aloud everything on the screen. And if you want to adjust the speech rate and customize the settings, tap on your profile icon in the top right, tap Lookout Settings, and here find the section Reading Tools Settings. Now we can reset to defaults, or here we can make the text bigger, smaller by tapping on the icons. Also we can make it bold. We can switch to different color. We can set different font, letter spacing, and so on. And on the bottom we can adjust the speech rate. Just drag the slider to hear the difference and stop whenever you are satisfied. We can also do the same with the pitch, and also we can switch to different voice type. And once you're satisfied, just go back in the main settings. Here you can customize some of the options as well, enable or disable some of the sections, but that's not all. We can click on the three lines in the top left corner and from text switch to any different option. So this app can help us to read documents, to explore the world, for example, objects around you, to also explore the currency. On the top, it will just explore the dollars, Indian rupees, and euros. So these are free available currencies here at the moment. You just need to point the camera at the currency, and basically that's it. Now we got here food labels. So for that you need to download the pack. It will take up to 5 minutes, and then in the shop you can just point the camera at any food label, let's say at the milk, and it will read aloud everything, what will be on the pack, and so on. Now we have here section Find as well, and it can help us to find some objects in the room or at any other place. On the top, click the chair icon, and it can help us to find not only seating and tables, but something else. For example, I'm gonna set cups, tap Save, and I'm gonna show you how this works. Now it does not recognize anything, right? But once I take my cup it will immediately recognize this cup. So this is how the feature works. Now let's switch to the documents and I'm going to show you how this works as well. And by the way, if for some reason the app cannot recognize the text or the document, then try to rotate your phone to the landscape mode or reverse to the portrait mode. Also try to get closer to the object or maybe further away, and also try to zoom in, zoom out, and that this may help. You can find out about this by tapping the eye icon on the top. So, as I said, having trouble, hold vertically or use take photo button, which we have right here, just like that, to take a photo. And once you take a photo or the app recognizes the tags, documents, and so on, you will see that it will read aloud everything you have on this paper or so on. To stop the text, just tap the stop button. To resume, tap again. In the left corner, you can change the speech rate. You can also use the arrows to move further or go back. And you can download this text and share if you tap these icons on the top. And that's it. This is how you can use this app for your needs. And don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.